Steve Mannenbach is back in the house again. It's been a little bit since my last YouTube video post. I'm getting close to 1,000 followers. By the way, got my black diamond bling on today. Hope you like that. Getting close to 1,000 followers. Really want to hit that soon. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you tap the subscribe button. If you want me to write you a nice review in exchange, I'll totally do that. Write me what to say, tell me where to post it, and I'll do it. All right, cool. Hit subscribe. Anyways, today I want to show a little bit about how I'm growing my LinkedIn account by using LinkedIn Helper. I have kind of a workflow set up that is automatically inviting people to connect, automatically then messaging people afterwards. It will check to see if they did connect, and if they did connect, it will then send them a follow-up message. Just thanks for connecting. Then it will wait a couple days, and then I have it say something like, hey, by the way, if you ever need help with marketing or lead generation, let me know. Nothing too intrusive. Nobody likes to get bombarded on LinkedIn, right? I know I don't like it, and they come off tacky. So it's better just to play it cool, post good content, and let people come to you. I think that's the best way to do it, and just be very friendly, right? But this tool is great. I mean, now I'm up to, I believe, 16,200 some followers. Check this out. It's pretty dope. So you can actually see when it starts working. Right now it's sleeping. I have different time set for when it can operate and when it can't. And that's to prevent, LinkedIn from shutting down your profile, right? They probably don't want you doing all of this, but it works really well. I've been growing steadily. You can add about 100 connections per day, and you'll see that about probably, 20%, right around 20% will agree and accept your invite. You can also go in here and set it up so it will go back through all the people you've invited. If they didn't accept, let's say after 30 days or something, you can make it so that they are removed, right? It will remove your request. So let's see, where was that at? I had it built into my campaign before, but it was causing the campaign to not be able to add as many people per day, so I took it out. I believe, where was it? CRM collect, no. Functions, dashboard, settings. I feel like I'm just missing it in here. Sent invites cancel. Oh yeah, here we go. Sent invites canceler. That's it. So if I hit this, you set a date that's probably 30 days long ago. So it's the 14th of July. We'll go back to June 14th. Start withdrawing. So now what it's going to do is it's going to go back through and check all of the invitations it's already sent. And if they're older than June 14th, it's going to then withdraw that invite, right? So hopefully here in a second, it will, yep, here we go. We're going to see some action. Hands free. Hands free, baby. Let's go. So I'll let you check this out for a hot second. Hope you guys are all having a good day out there. So I like to add a lot of people in the lending industry because I'm also a loan officer, and I of course have my marketing company that caters to lenders. So it's always good to network with people in your industry. You never know when you might need it. Obviously, you could do this if you're a loan officer. You might even want to set this up to target real estate agents, right? You could have it doing this with realtors. You could even have it maybe even setting up a time for you guys to have hop on a call and see if you might want to work together, right? And you could automate all of this. Like on Instagram, Facebook, you can't automate anything, but on LinkedIn you can. I don't know how long it will last for, but as of now, you're good. So I would hop on this as soon as you can. Again, this is called LinkedIn Helper 2. I'll put a referral link below. If you use my referral link, then I'll give you tips. I'll help you out. What else? Let's just look more at the campaign, I think. I kind of jumbled this all up. It's got too many. I got too many things opened up right now. Oh, here we go. All right, back in here, right? So there's the message. Thanks for accepting my invitation. It's going to check for the replies. I forgot. You can also have it if you have a business page on LinkedIn. You can then have it after they accept your request and those messages go out. You can then invite them to follow your organization. If you have LinkedIn like Sales Navigator, which is what I have, you can send out 250 invites per month to follow your business. Okay, just so you know that you can work that into this campaign. So that's pretty solid. So you don't have to go there and manually invite a bunch of people and try to find the right people to invite who are actually interested in what you have to sell. And then here's what I say. I just say, let me know if you ever need any marketing or lead gen help, right? Little smiley face or winky face right there, right? Keep it lighthearted. And that's really all I do. And I just let people come to me if they're interested. So highly recommend it. Works really well. And then I want to show the dashboard real quick. Invited and accepted. So right now, I guess over the past 30 days, it's automatically invited 2,400 people. 560 I've accepted so far. You know, some people don't check their LinkedIn very often. And then the acceptance rate, 23.67%. I was pretty close with that. You can also probably increase that if you were to go even slower about it. Like maybe you have it so maybe you create a workflow where it will give this person a recommendation, or maybe you'll just, instead of inviting them to connect, you'll follow them. Maybe you'll set it up to where you're liking their posts, right? You can automate all of that with this system, and it's very reasonably priced. From what I remember, I think I only paid like $200 or $300 for it, and that lasts for the whole year. So really, no excuse not to use it. I don't know why these fluctuate so much, but they do. And you have to kind of keep an eye on it. It's always running in the background, right? It's always active. So you'll have this little icon down here. This is how you get it going, and you just have to. There'll be a play button right here. And you'll hit the play button. When you hit the play button, that's when this pops up, right? This instance. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. There's a lot of functionality here that I haven't even played around with yet. So let's see. Can I show any of that? I don't think this is going to run right now. But, the queue. This is where you're going to add like people that you want to maybe connect with. What else? I want to try to create a campaign. Where is the create campaign thing? Am I blind? Open limit. Oh, limits. Limits. So the max number of actions it can take on LinkedIn in 24 hours. These are all kind of preset for you, so you don't have to worry about it too much. They've kind of already figured that out. I just want to do a new campaign. Where is it? Is it in here? Create campaign, finally. All right, so you can start with a blank campaign. They have pre-made sequences, so I just took one of these pre-made sequences and I just tweaked it a bit, right? So it doesn't really take very long to set up. I think the one that I used was... I think it's the invite and follow-up one is the one I used for what I just showed you. Oh, here's the warm-up, invite, and follow-up. So maybe this would, if I put it into practice, it might increase my acceptance rate by 10 to 20%. I don't know. You can also just if you want to just have people be invited to follow your organization, your first degree connections, you can set up one of those. Endorsements, right? That's what I was talking about. There's the one for endorsements. So they have all these nice templates in here to keep your work to a minimum and make sure that you're able to actually get this up and running right away. Okay. Cool. I think that's about all I got for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching. Just I'll probably start sharing more of these tools that I'm using. I have a crap load of them that I'm using that probably nobody even knows that I'm using. But I spend probably way too much time doing this stuff. So I'll keep making new ones. Hit the subscribe button so you make sure you find out what's hot right now. Again, my name's Steve Mannenbach. I'm the founder and CEO of GetMIB.com, and I'm a loan officer in the mortgage industry and hard money industry. If you need help, text me the word leads, 503-551-8690. If you need a loan, text me the word loan. You can also email me at steve@getmib.com. That's about all I got for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit subscribe. Peace out.